Sell the Trend tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sell the Trend. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Sell the Trend, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Sell the Trend, it is an all-in-one dropshipping platform designed to streamline the e-commerce process for online retailers. Utilizing advanced AI technology, it helps users to identify trending products across various marketplaces, including AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify, by analyzing sales data and market trends. And the platform also features a comprehensive product research tool that offers access to curated databases of over 7 million products across 83 niches, enabling users to find high-demand items quickly. And now to create an account on this platform, you could also start clicking the link in the description, or you can simply click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner to proceed. Then from here, you will be directed in here, in which you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or using your email address, and by entering here your password in here. Then you will be directed on this page after signing in on Sell the Trend. And all you need to do from here is to simply select your answer if you already have a store. So I'm going to click Yes and help me grow it, since I have a Shopify account that we're going to connect on this platform. And from here to avail the free trial, all you need to do is simply link your PayPal or credit card to start the free trial in here. And after that, you can now proceed by clicking this Enter Sell the Trend button, and you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options, including this dashboard, products, local shipping, suppliers, manage, and many more. And by simply clicking the dashboard option on the left side panel, we will automatically be directed on this page. And from here, it will show us the available products that we can choose to dropship from other store that we have, such as Shopify. And as you can see, we have a variety of products, and also you can track here the number of your sales, costs, or earnings in this dashboard. And now to start dropshipping, the first thing that we need to do first is simply choose which kind of product we want to dropship by clicking this products button on the left side panel. From here, it will show us on the top panel some other option that we can choose. We have here Launcher, Everything, TikTok, the Nexus, Marketplaces, and many more. And by clicking this Everything option right here, you'll be able to see all of the product with different kind of categories in here. And if you're looking for a specific category of item, you can simply go to the search bar in here and search for anything, or you could also use this filter, ships from with here United States, Europe, United Kingdom, Spain, France, and many more. And even choose a niche in here. We have here Android, air conditioner, baby, beach, bathroom, beauty, butterfly, cars, cleaning, and many more. And let's say in those options, I'm going to use the fitness niche. By simply clicking this fitness, you'll be able to see here below some of the product that is related to fitness. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one. So kind of click on it to proceed. And upon clicking on it, it will show us on this pop-up window this Nexus product research, in which on this window it will show you the product details, including the prices, the number of orders it has, the product cost, selling price, and even the profit margin that you will get upon dropshipping this product to your store. And below it will show you the order statistics and other data of this product, including the price data, rating, graph, and even the review score of this item. So this is basically important to consider before choosing or deciding to dropship a specific product, in which all of this data will help you to determine whether or not we will get a profit upon dropshipping this product. And it will show you here the overview about top customers, the store's country breakdown, and even the audience details in here. You could also see the suppliers of this product, which is on AliExpress. And now that we know the overview about this product, including the statistics of it, to start dropshipping, just click this Add to Store button in here. And upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page. And it says here that we firstly need to connect the store to continue. And by clicking this button, from here it will show you that you can connect your Shopify WooCommerce in here. And in those options, I'm going to connect my Shopify online store. And to do that, can I click this Install from the App Store button. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. Then just proceed by clicking this Install button below. And again, you will be directed in this page, where you also need to install this application in here. And after successfully installing the Sell the Trend dropshipping, you'll now be able to see here that your Shopify store is now connected. And now to proceed, kindly click this Start Adding Products to Your Store button below here. Then you will be directed on this page again. And from here, we can now start dropshipping from this platform to our online store on Shopify. And on the left side panel, you could also choose your local shipping option depending on the country you are from, and even choose a supplier for a specific kind of product. So again, going back in here, just click this add to store button to start dropshipping this product, and after that, it will show you in here that you can now proceed by simply clicking push the store button on the top right corner. But before that, make sure that you also fill out all of the required information in here, wherein you could also start customizing the title, the tags, description, the specification, and even selected in here some other product image that you prefer. You could also choose to change the selling price and add this to your collection. So for instance, I'm going to add this product into my men's collection on online store. But before that, from here, all you need to do is to simply select which kind of product you want. I'm going to select these 3 colors. And then under this collection, I'm going to select the men's collection. And after that, just wait for it to load after clicking the push to store button on the top right corner. And now to check if it is actually successfully added to our online store, we can now proceed by simply clicking or going to our Shopify account and click this online store button or icon in here to view our online store. And upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on the next tab, in which it will show us our online store in here. And if you click to this men's collection, it will show us that the product are not currently dropshipped or added to this online store. But all you need to do is wait for it to be fully added, since it is currently loading at the moment. But while we're waiting, we can simply also browse some other option on the top panel in here under products, such as this TikTok. However, you should have an upgrade account in order to access this option. Aside from that, you could also navigate on the top panel, this Nexus, to see some of the product that is hot, trending, on the rise, new, and all. And you could also choose under these marketplaces some other options of supplier we have here, AliExpress, CG Dropshipping, and even Amazon in here. So again, you can use all of those categories in order to search for a specific product you want to dropship from this platform into your online store, such as on Shopify or WooCommerce. So it is actually important to integrate Sell the Trend with Shopify or WooCommerce, in which it will allow for seamless product imports and order fulfillment, significantly reducing the time and effort required to manage a dropshipping businesses, in which users can easily browse a vast catalog of products, customize listings, and utilize marketing tools to promote their offerings effectively. And now let's try again to check if the product that we just dropship has now been added. And as you can see, it is now currently added with its corresponding prices and also its details. So as you can see, leveraging Sell the Trend alongside Shopify equips entrepreneurs with the necessary resources to optimize their dropshipping operations, to enhance product selection, and ultimately drive higher sales and growth in a competitive e-commerce landscape. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Sell the Trend. Thank you.